Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching. Welcome to my channel if you are new here. My name is Hannah. So today's video is a little bit different than usual. I'm in a different setup as well. So today I'm actually going to be using some Korean skincare products. So a beauty retailer called Stylevana got in contact with me and asked if I wanted to use some of their Korean skincare products. So they're all by different brands. I haven't used any of these brands before, so I thought it'd be quite fun to come on camera and try them out with you. And also as well, I think it's really well known that Korean skincare is meant to be amazing. So I'm really into my skincare at the moment, so I'm looking forward to trying some of these products and seeing if any of them can kind of make their way into my normal skincare routine. So if you want to hear my thoughts and you enjoy watching skincare videos, then just keep on watching. So just a little bit of background about my skin before we start. So I'm very much prone to breakouts. I will always get hormonal breakouts. For some reason I've broken out on my forehead, which I never normally do, and I was going to kind of put off doing this video because I had breakouts, but I mean, they are so normal, everyone gets them. And also it's quite interesting to see how my skin looks after I use new products as well, to see if they kind of calm down any blemishes. So it is a little bit scary trying new products because you're like, is it going to break me out? But you know, you never know, you can find something amazing when trying new products. And then as for my skin type I would say is probably more on the oily side. Like recently I've been using like niacinamide and hyaluronic acid, so that has really helped kind of calm down my oil and kind of keep it at bay. So I have no idea how to say a lot of these names because obviously, as I said, they are Korean. So the first one that I'm going to use is this gentle cleansing foam, and it is by this brand. I'm not going to even try and butcher the name. So I really like foaming cleansers. I don't know why, I just like it when it like creates a lather. I just feel like it kind of almost seems like it's really getting deep down into the skin. The only thing is it doesn't have directions. I mean, it's probably, you know, pretty self-explanatory. You probably just wet your skin. I mean, it seems to be in Korean, but I'm just gonna wet my skin and give it a go. So I'm just gonna do 2 pumps. Oh, it gets really foamy. It'll be interesting to see as well if it leaves my skin dry, because you know how some cleansers can like really suck out the moisture and just leave it feeling really tight, which is what I don't like. Although I have oily skin, I don't want to suck out all the moisture. Okay, so I'm gonna go wash this off now. So that was the foaming cleanser. So my first impression was that I loved how it foamed up really easily and really quickly. It smelled really nice as well. It gave me like, I had like a touch of like a tingle feeling, but nothing like concerning. And my skin isn't like too red after it either. And it looks like pretty clean. You know how you like use a cleanser and you can, I don't know, your skin just looks a lot like clearer. Whereas before, when I wake up in the morning, I always seem to have like a little bit of redness here, and it almost looks like a little bit congested. So when I use cleansers, that kind of clears up, and that's definitely done that. It feels really nice and smooth. I feel like a tiny bit tight. Sometimes it does get worse. I do feel like it's really like kind of cleaned my skin. But yeah, I think the thing that always like sells me on a cleanser if it's really foamy, because I just love foamy cleansers. But if it does make my skin more dry, then obviously I just have to go in with like more of a hydrating serum and moisturizer. That little spot there. Okay, so I think whilst I kind of put my other products in, I'm gonna try. So I've got the Bubble lip mask. So I've been trying to find a lip mask for so long because my lips are constantly chapped. I have never seen a lip mask in a pump. Oh my god, this is so cool. And like the back of it is all in Korean. So it comes out So it comes out in like, kind of like a gel consistency. Well, yeah, like a creamy gel. And my lips are quite dry right now, so it'll be a good test. It goes completely white. Oh my god, that is so funny. Is it meant to do that? Oh, and it's like, oh my god, this is so weird. I've never used anything like this before. Yeah, can you see? It's kind of like peeling off. Is it meant to do that? Oh my god, I don't know. I'm confused. Oh my god, yeah. That is amazing. Right, I'm just going to leave it on for maybe a few minutes. Whilst I leave it on, I'm going to Google it. I'm going to Google the product. Oh my god, it's tingling. Right, yeah, it is a bubble. It's like a bubble face mask, but for your lips. Oh my god, this is crazy. It's kind of like, I can feel it bubbling. Okay, that lip mask was so interesting. I don't think we do anything like that in the UK. But yeah, it kind of like bubbled up. You know, it's exactly the same as those face masks. And my lips feel super, super hydrated. Okay, whilst that is bubbling up, I just put it on again because I wanted to like put it on properly. But yeah, so I didn't want to put my serum and moisturiser on straight away because I wanted to see what the cleanser was like on its own. And my skin does feel a little bit dry, more so than when I use my CeraVe foaming cleanser. But I mean, this will probably be really good if I've got like a full face of makeup on and I can use it as my second cleanse. So I can use like a balm cleanser to take my makeup off and then use this, because it kind of feels like it really like gets deep down in there, but like maybe for the morning it might be a little bit too much. But yes, anyways, I just wanted to quickly add that whilst I was waiting for this to bubble. Right, I'm going to wipe this off now. The next thing I'm going to use is this Hydrogel eye patch. So I've never used eye patches before, and these look super, super luxe. It comes with this little, I just dropped it in the sink. Comes with this little cute spatula. Is that what you would call it, a spatula? Like that. I'm guessing that's to take it off. Oh, wow. Oh my god, these are so cool. I never know which way around you put these on. Do you do it like this? Have I got it on right? I don't know. I'm gonna have to look. Okay, so I'm just gonna take these off now. And then whatever's left, I'm just gonna kind of rub in underneath my eyes. Well, not rub, that's not a nice word. Blend. So the next thing I'm gonna try is the toner. Oh, this comes with English as well. So this is the Bubble Toner Green Plum plus AHA. So I love using AHA in my skincare routine. So it's I can never say this, glycolic acid. So it says pump 1 to 2 pumps on a cotton pad and gently sweep across the face. Pat gently to help absorption. So also, I just want to say that I love this kind of packaging. Just like super simple. Just love it. Oh my god, guys. It's foamy. I have never used a foamy toner before. Is this a toner? I'm so confused. Okay, I'm just gonna... Okay, so that is probably the weirdest toner I have ever used. Have you guys ever seen a foamy, a bubble toner it is, but it's like foamy. So it does tingle a little bit, but no more than my Pixie Glow Tonic. I'm sure a lot of you have heard of it or used that one before. That one's also got glycolic acid in, and it does tingle a little bit. So I'm not like concerned about that or anything. That's just so interesting. I don't know how I feel about the foaminess. Just gonna use a little bit more there. So this is the one product that I am most excited to use, and this is the Tea Tree Relief Serum. So I basically, I heard of this brand. I don't know how you pronounce it. Iunique. I don't know if you can see that. So I've never tried a serum with tea tree in it. I can't imagine what it's going to be like. So yeah, I first heard of this brand when Emma Chamberlain used the, I'm sure it was like the snail one on her video, and I've been wanting to try this brand and that serum for ages. So when they said they were going to send me some of Unique products, sorry, I don't know if that's how you say it, that's what I was most excited about. And I absolutely love serums. I think serums is like one of my favourite steps in my skincare routine. I don't know why, maybe it's because it feels a bit more luxurious, but I also feel like a lot of them make the biggest difference. Like my niacinamide and my hyaluronic acid serums, I feel like make the biggest difference in my skin. Ingredients: I need Hyram. Skincare by Hyram, please help me. So it says it is powerful relief, natural moisturising, soothing care, brightening and wrinkle care. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply it. So the consistency of this is, it's quite like watery, like compared to a lot of the other serums that I use, but it feels like so hydrating. So I already love that serum because it feels hydrating, but it's not too oily. A little bit goes a long way, and yeah, it doesn't like leave my skin looking like really oily, because I feel like it would be a good day serum that you could put makeup over the top of, because it doesn't feel too heavy on the skin. Yeah, overall with how it feels on my skin, I'm really happy with it. I'll definitely keep using it just to see if it's one of those products that kind of helps your skin over time. Like, I'm not sure if it's meant to kind of reduce redness straight away, or if it's something that happens over time, like I said. So next from the same brand is the moisturizer. So it's the Daily Moisturizer Cream. So again, it says brightening and wrinkle care, double functional cosmetics, hyper moisturizing. So again, really nice packaging. I like that it's in a tube because you can just squirt it out super quickly. So that is the consistency. So kind of like between a gel and a cream. It's not too runny either, as you can see. Also, one thing that I'm noticing, the moisturizer is not balling up with the serum. I don't know if any of you guys have noticed that before, but with, I don't know if some of you guys have noticed this before, but when I use, for example, my Morphe moisturizer and my hyaluronic acid serum from Ordinary, when I use those two together, it balls up. So when I rub it in, I get like a, I don't know how to explain it, just like it almost starts like peeling off. But I'm not getting that with these two products, which is a good sign. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave that on the skin to kind of sink in so I can get an idea of what it's like. Yeah, it's definitely very moisturizing. It will be interesting to see if it makes me more oily throughout the day, but, well, not throughout the day, it's literally like 5 p.m. Skincare is one of those things that, like, it's hard to do a first impression on like everything, because obviously your skin reacts, you might have breakouts, and your skin kind of needs to get used to using these products, and I will kind of update you as and when. If I really like something, I'm gonna kind of work it into my own skincare routine. I do want to do like a proper one soon, because it's not like a genuine skincare routine, because I've literally only just used them. So I guess it is kind of like a first impression, but I will continue to use them and let you know how I get on. But so far, I am loving them. Like I said, I absolutely love skincare, and I just feel like, I don't know, I feel like it was a really like a pleasant experience like using them, and I feel like skincare should be like that, as well as, you know, helping your skin as well. But yeah, I really enjoy using them all. I think my favourites were probably the serum. So you guys know that I love serum. But also Stylevana, I hope I'm saying that right, has also kindly given me a discount code for you guys to use. So if you are interested in any of these products, they do so many other skincare products and beauty products on their website. like Korean and Asian beauty products. So if you're really into that, then I will leave a link down below if you want to go check them out and all the brands that they stock. And you can use my code as well. So I will link it on screen. I'll also put it in the description box as well if you are interested. So yes, let me know if you want to see more skincare videos. And I'm just on a journey on trying to get my skincare, you know, top notch. I'm just trying to combat any concerns I have. I feel like I have a good routine at the moment, and I do feel like I'm going to introduce some of these products already into my regular skincare routine. So I think I'm definitely going to use this at night after my cleansing balm, and then I'm definitely going to use the serum in my regular routine and the moisturizer as well. I just thought they were like all really interesting skincare product, but I don't know, I just feel like it was almost a little bit more luxurious. The products just felt a little bit more luxurious. So I mean, I did say Korean skincare is up there. But yes, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you thought in the comments down below, and if you've used any of these products. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you are new here. Thanks again for watching, and you'll see me in my next one. Bye!